with Russian surface-to-air missile system and electronic warfare system failed to suppress Ukraine's drone army, they themselves often become the target. With 2 Russian Thor systems in hiding gotten spotted by Ukraine's surveillance drone, the first Thor system got hit by a drone. Causing heavy smoke to come from the system, indicating it's finished, with the second Thor system trying to flee the scene, but with a second drone too close by. Perfectly homing in for a strike on the radar, destroying 2 expensive systems costing $25 million each, leaving 2 less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.